Good morning mga Katibog Vlogs! Welcome sa isa na naman nating video bus check. But before that, time check 7:07 in the morning, May 6, 2024, Monday. So, come on, let's check. Check na natin tong bus na gagamit natin kung ito ay si bus number 5728 with registration plate number NCC 991, which will expire on January 17, 2025. Well, come on, let's check it out. Let's check natin yung mga kung may mga yung importante lang naman dyan, yung gulong tsaka yung adjusters, kung okay ba. Mga gas is normal na lang yan dito. So all good. Adjusters are all good. And all good. Oh! So all good. 578. And damage. Stairs. Fenders are missing. Pinaklas na. Adjusters, different colors, just like a rainbow. And there we go. Sa loob and good. Missing button. So all good. Otherwise all good. So that's all folks for our video bus vlog for today. Paalam!